Are your YouTube shorts stuck at 0 views or barely growing? The problem might not be your content, it could be the way you're uploading them. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact upload strategy that will take your videos from barely being seen to millions of views, and how a single setting added over 1 million extra views to one short. So don't skip this. Even one small mistake might be what's holding you back. First, always upload your shorts from your phone, not your computer. The YouTube mobile app gives you access to features the desktop version doesn't, especially when it comes to thumbnails, which we'll talk about soon. If your video is edited on a computer, upload it to Google Drive, download it to your phone. Simple. Next, hashtags. They don't really matter for shorts. Most of your views will come from the shorts feed, not search. Overusing hashtags can even hurt your video. YouTube says using more than 60 can get your video removed from results. One shorts hit over 9 million views with no hashtags, no description, just the right category. Now, let's talk titles. Great titles equals higher watch time. I use curiosity-driven hooks like, "What Ronaldinho said at the end is wild." It makes people watch till the end, and that boosts your performance. Some creators use reverse psychology like, "Don't click the sound." And it works because people do click. But I found something even better. Upload timing. Post about 1 hour before your audience's peak time. Check this in your analytics under the audience tab. And if you're uploading early, don't set the video to private. Use unlisted so YouTube can scan it in advance. Private videos can delay momentum right when your short starts gaining traction. Now here's the most overlooked trick. Magic. Thumbnails on shorts. If your short has a clickable thumbnail, it can appear on the homepage, in Browse, and next to long-form content, not just the shorts feed. That's how one of my videos got 4 million views, with over half coming from Browse features. Even better, those views kept coming in daily, long after upload. That's passive growth. To do this, you need to upload from your phone. Include your custom thumbnail as a frame in the video, then select it during the upload. It's a tiny detail most people ignore, and that's exactly why it works. Bonus tip: when uploading, you can link a related video that shows up above the title. Use it to guide viewers to your next short and boost total watch time across your channel. And if you're still stuck at 0, harsh truth, YouTube might think you're a spam channel. If you're getting a few hundred views, your content likely isn't strong enough. Around 30,000? You're close. You just need to level up.